Ludwig Christian Juncker, in his Dissertatio De Damno ex Scabi Repulsa Hali 1750, in page number 15 to 18, he has written his observation about suppression of itch. Suppression of itch in young people of sanguine temperament leads to phthisis. In general sanguine temperament, it leads to piles, hemorrhoidal colic, and renal gravel. In sanguine chloric temperament, it leads to swellings of the inguinal glands, stiffening of joints, malignant ulcers. In fat persons, suppression of itch leads to catarrh and mucus consumption, inflammatory fever, acute pleurisy, and inflammation of lungs.